ghost that you left behind here. When is it you decided to turn into a bitch? We used to be lower than down, anybody that knew us would admit. Then you suddenly switch, yeah, you suddenly switch. In all of my years, I never seen someone corrupted so quick. Lately I'm feeling like I'm being haunted by all of these demons that I got inside of me. Deep in my arteries, don't even know the reason of pathology. Fuck it, I feel like I'm ready to blow up. I'm ready to blow up and call it a rap.
Call it a rap.
You can have all my shit if it means that I see you, I don't want it back. It's like I woke up from a nightmare, because I finally got away from you, and I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do, like fuck that. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost that you left behind here. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost that you left behind here. I'm in the deep end, I think I'm sinking, and I've been suffocating, struggling just to breathe. And I feel like I've been trying to get away forever now. I'm just trying to run away and go wherever now. Cause I don't hear you in my rear view. Can't see exhaust about my vehicle. I feel like I've been waiting for this day forever now, and that wherever you may be, I hope you never found